Hi, this is Mark for Future Bilingual Primary School, Music Technology Major. Academic Lesson. Today's lesson immerses students in the world of taste. Using flashcards, students learned about sweet, salty, bitter, nutty, sour and bland flavours. Armed with newfound knowledge, they unleash their creativity by drawing and colouring pictures representing each taste category. Vibrant artworks filled the classroom, showcasing the diversity of taste experiences. Through this hands-on activity, students not only expanded their taste vocabulary, but also honed their artistic skills. Stay tuned for more adventures in taste exploration.
Bitter. Perfect. Good job. Next one, you should know this one. Do you remember this? This is sweet. Sweet. Really sweet. Tigers, can you say sweet? Spicy.
This is not yellow.
Why is that
Lemon. Yellow.
First, the spicy chili. You call the spicy? This chili is spicy. This is spicy. A spicy green chili.